Hey, I'm Andrew Michael Martinez from the Hall of Horrors. I play bass, and I like to eat ice cream, cake, and french fries, and hamburgers, and I hope to become a chef someday. And I'm going to ask one question.
What are you doing here?
What was that?
What are you doing here?
Hey, let me in! Yeah, you know how to do a lawnmower, guys? Do you think you guys can help me out? You guys help me out with the lawnmower?
Oh, you mean the lawnmower? Yeah!
Hi.
I'm here to review the lawnmower. To get down to the nitty-gritty of the lawnmower, you got to review the dangers of the lawnmower. Keep hands and feet away from rotating parts when engine is
Running.
Poor Justin didn't pay attention to the rules. That's what he gets. Wah, wah, wah. This is how you start doing the lawnmower. You get at a 45-degree angle and spread your legs. Once you get that started, it's going to be a little bit difficult to get it started. You have to put in gas, so you're going to have to pump it and pull. Pull. Do the swan. Repulse the monkey. Like that. Once you get it started, you're going to get a bit like shaky, but after a while, you just 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. And that's all you have to do. That's right. That's all? Yes, Frank. That's all. The farmers are rocker rap.
Marlboro. Now let's go over what we've learned today.
What's that, Daniel? Don't fucking touch me!
The lawnmower.
The crab. The seesaw. Ah. The ballerina. For safety precautions, you can also use the Daniel.
Now remember, this dance is for advanced Hall of Horror fans.
The zombie jump.
2 sticks, sticks, sticks.
Yeah. Oh, you cleared it. Remember, kids, only you can prevent forest fires.
Me?